What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the 2014 Shelby GT500 right here. We got some new shoes for her today. So it went from the stock tire on the stock rim, 9.5-inch rim, 285 35/20, to the big bad Weld racing wheels on a 305 45 17. As you can see, the welds are pretty dirty because they're used, and that's just how they came. Hopefully we're gonna try to figure out how to get this off because the guy didn't know what it was, but it was a pretty good deal because those rims are pretty expensive. But yeah, we got the same deal on this side. The Mickey Thompson drag radial hooks way, we're hoping it hooks way better than that, because that just spin city all day, first, second, third gear, just spin, you know, not a good thing. We don't want that. So we're hoping that these bigger shoes over here help. I mean, it looks, you can see how sticky the tire is just from driving it around. So we're gonna go out and do some test passes in Mexico, of course, since we can't be doing that here in the US. But yeah, should be a nice upgrade in traction, and we're gonna let you know just how these tires feel on the street, and we'll get back to you when we're out in Mexico. Really quick, just wanted to mention that this is a 17-inch rim by 17 by 10, so it's a 10-inch wide rim. I think you can fit a 315. We were gonna get this tire in a 315, which is wider than the 305 here, but we weren't sure if it was gonna rub in the wheel well in there somewhere. So, or on the well, basically rub on anything. I don't know if it could rub on the shock, but we didn't want it to rub anywhere, so that's why we went with the 305 instead. But we'll see what this tire can do. Should be way better than stock. We'll see you guys there. All right, guys, we're here in Mexico to test the Mickey Thompson ET Street radials on the Weld wheel. We're gonna do a test launch. Whatsoever. Alright, we're gonna do a 60 roll. Alright, so no traction control didn't really work out that well, but we're just gonna show you what it can do from a roll. This was hard. Nice. Gonna have to cut that one out. Alright, so this is from a roll in first gear. It pulls pretty nice at 4,000. Alright, so now we're gonna try, we put traction control back on, and we have launch control enabled. We're gonna try that. You can see the 11s that we painted. So we got traction control back on. Gonna launch a little lower at 3. Well, there you have it. Clearly that tire is not enough. Maybe on a prep surface and with a burnout and lower PSI, you might be able to get it to hook. But yeah, this is a stock GT500, by the way. Damn, second gear was long as on about 3K launch. I think you're shifting early in first.
No, I'm taking.
Are you sure?
I'm taking it all the way up. I'm not. But see, there's a difference between dumping the clutch on like before you really accelerate. Because if I can do it where it's just gonna spin, but that's not the goal.
Yeah.
Spinning ain't winning, you know.
Spinning ain't winning, baby. Hit it from a roll, bro.
Nah, they don't spin for shit.
Nope. So these passes have been with no warm up on the tires. On the roll, grabs good. On a dig from below 4K has been seemed to grab pretty good.
It calms it down.
Yeah. So when you launch at over 3K, it likes to just sit and roast them. Spinning ain't winning, baby. Damn. It is a big difference from the original tire though. The stock tire wouldn't never ever grab even on a roll. Even on the highway pool, you said, right? It wouldn't grab?
Second gear, 60 miles per hour, spinning. Dropping third, still spinning on the freeway. Switching full lane.
So there you have it. Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. That was with no burnout. We dropped the PSI to 22 from 35 that it was at in the first few passes, and it did make a difference a little bit.
I think that's probably what it is.
But and that was, mind you, still with no burnout, but it did help the PSI drop. So we'll see what we get into next. All right, so there you guys have it. You guys saw what the Mickey Thompsons can do on the street. The wheels look pretty badass. I know it was only the rear set. The front set will hopefully come sometime in the near future. But yeah, it was a lot of fun testing the car with the drag radials compared to the stock tires. Hopefully it'll do good at the drag strip. The next video should be at the drag strip, and you guys will see, you know, hopefully it can hook and we can feel the real power all put to the ground. But until then, it's been your boy Johnny, and we out.